Lesson 6-6, Applications of Linear Systems.
So here's the procedures for applications of linear systems, which basically means you're going to be solving word problems using systems of equations. You want to read and highlight the problem carefully, followed by identifying your unknowns and assigning your variables. In all of these cases, you're going to be using two variables. Set up two equations based on what you read. Solve for both variables using one of your systems methods. You can use graphing if you want a visual representation, substitution when one variable is already solved for, or elimination when coefficients are the same or opposites, or when it's not convenient to use graphing or substitution. If the problem says you have to do algebraic, you have to use elimination or substitution. Make sure at the end you're answering the question that was asked of you by using a conclusion statement. Here's an example. Read the example carefully, and you should pause the video at this point to do so and to do the problem on your own. So the fashion designer makes and sells hats. We're going to let H be the number of hats, and we're going to let M be the money, since those are the two things that we don't know. The two equations that I'm going to create are as follows. The money is equal to $5.50 per hat plus the $1,400 that she spends on advertising. She sells the hats for $12.50 each. I then can do substitution because I have M's that are equal to each other. So since I have the M's solved for already, I can do substitution. So 1250H is equal to 550H plus 1400. I then am going to subtract 5.5H from both sides to get 7H equal to 1400. Dividing by 7 gives me H equal to 200. There's no need for me to go back and find M because the question is asking me for how many hats must be sold to break even. So the designer must sell 200 hats to break even. If you're having issues with this particular lesson, please make sure you consult your teacher in class.